which was really psychologically tough for me to hold this position, but I actually held, and then boom, as you can see, the price started dropping and I knew that I hit the jackpot. Just recently I had my best trading week where I made over $20,000 trading in the Forex market. Currently I'm celebrating 6 trades winning streak in my VIP alerts trading group, and that's why I thought that I will share how I was able to do it. Successful day trading is not an accident. It's not an easy business and it requires time and effort to master. In order to duplicate my results yourself, you not only need a great workout strategy, but also proper trading psychology. My name is Lucas, this is Magic Markets, and today I will break down my exact strategy and give you some tips of how you can improve your trading as well. The first thing that we need to understand is market structure and how the market moves. So market structure is a pretty simple concept to understand, and yet it is really important and powerful tool. So if we have an uptrend like this, first of all, the market makes an impulse, then a retracement follows. Then another impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, and impulse. And basically, if we have a bullish trend, the structure is almost always the same. We have a low over here, and the next low is higher. It is higher than this low right here. So that means that we are in an uptrend because price is slowly climbing up. The price is climbing up. You are never interested in selling or shorting the market. That is just nonsense, and you will have really low probability of your trade actually succeeding. When you are interested in opening a buy position in an uptrend, you cannot do it somewhere here in the middle of an impulse or in the middle of retracement, because you're always risking that you will get stopped out. So the best way to do it is, if you're longing the market, you should open positions right here at the bottom like this, boom, so your trade has the highest probability of succeeding like this. So this was the situation on Euro USD dollar at the time. So basically, again, we look at the market structure, we have an impulse downwards, then we have some sort of retracement. In this case, it's probably some major news hit because this is really abnormal retracement, but that's okay, it still counts as the same retracement. And then boom, impulse downwards and another retracement. And from this point, I was anticipating again that this is a retracement. I was using market structure principles, and that now the market will continue. And if we look at the lows of the price, we have a low here, then we have a low over here, and a lower low here. So again, a lot of indications that market structure is downwards, and therefore we're interested in selling. Next thing that was really interesting for me is that here, first of all, we have a resistance levels, which is another great indication that the price could potentially reverse at this point. But not only that, we also had a double top like this, boom. So we had a candle over here and a candle on the same level over here, and we have a resistance level. So that was indication for me that we have a double top, and then the price could potentially reverse. So this is where I drew the neckline, and I waited to see what will happen next. If we look at what the price is doing at this particular level, we could see that we could potentially draw another support and resistance level, boom, like this. I was anticipating when the break will happen that I will enter into the market. And boom, when we got our break of the neckline and break of support level, this is where I opened my sell position, boom, like this. So in terms of stop loss, I usually put around 20 pips stop loss, which really works great for me. And then in terms of take profit, I used 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, and I put take profit somewhere here at the 60 pips mark. So the trade was developing, and here we were in a loss a little bit, which was really psychologically tough for me to hold this position, but I actually held. And then boom, as you can see, the price started dropping, and I knew that I hit the jackpot. And then boom, it hit our take profit, and that's how we made around $12,000. Now we will see how I consistently apply the same strategy and the same thought process to my next trade. First of all, let's look at the market structure. Again, there we had an impulse downwards, and here we have a retracement, boom, like this. So this is an indication that we will probably, because it is a downtrend, we are interested in selling, that probably now the continuation into the trend will come, and we were waiting for this retracement to end. Next thing that we check mark is a resistance level over here, and what we can do is draw another support level right here, because as you can see, at this particular level the price is facing a lot of support and a lot of resistance from different angles. Boom, so this is an area that we are interested in shorting the market. Then I was looking at what the candles were telling us, and here if we look closely we have a head and shoulder pattern. So basically here we have a shoulder, then we have a head, which is basically a higher high, and then another shoulder like this, which is a lower high after higher high. That means that the price is changing its direction. Here I had my neckline, boom, and then boom, we got ourselves a candle which broke the level. This was a big impulse. Entered a short position again with stop loss of 20 pips and take profit of somewhere, because we had a big support level right here. I put a take profit of somewhere at 46 mark. Then the price instantly started dropping with a small retracement over here, but I knew again that it will be a great trade, and I was waiting for the price to hit a profit, and then boom, it hit our take profit, and we closed another great position on Euro USD dollar.